Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Benidorm Crazy Marcus here today. What appears to be a rather wet, dull day in Benidorm. I say that it's not really pouring down like it would do in England. There is just a slight drizzle, but still enough to put the dampener on today. Most of the bars are quiet now. I mean, look at Ortega's 3. They've just got a few people sat inside trying to shelter from the rain. I think the plan now is to head back, get ourselves some shelter from the rain. Hopefully tomorrow we'll have a bit more sunshine. But in the meantime, just got a light drizzle. Beach is quiet, but there are a few people just having a little stroll. Most of the bars around on front, people will just sit inside. I think that's why some of these bars do good. But I had the cows of the bollies on. Anyway, as I was saying before I got interrupted, that's why some of these bars are good. They will have inside seating areas, maybe have them like pull round cover things to not stop doing getting in. They maybe have like them gas burner things. Hence why most of these bars do better than some of your more smaller, less popular bars. Because it is getting to winter now, guys. So you can imagine it's getting a bit chillier of a day, let alone of a night. Come night time, it is pretty damn cold. Funnily enough, I think it was Saturday, was it? Yeah, I think Saturday night was the first time this year we had to get our little electric heater out to keep us warm. Only problem is we forgot that you can't have that on while also like making a cup of hot chocolate with the kettle. Because if you have both the heater and the kettle and not the telly and a few other things on at the same time, the fuse blows, leaving you in darkness. So then we have to like sort of lumber around in the dark trying to find our phones to like get the torch on to go and try to fix it. Got the hotel Brisa here, looking very quiet today. Think most people on holiday now maybe will stop in their hotels. The hell? I'm not sure if you can see that, guys, but there is actually someone having a swim. Guys, just to remind you, it's middle of November, 21st of November. Christmas is coming up. It's freezing. It's raining. And there's a guy in the water. So, two possibilities. Either he's a German or he's a nutter. I mean, to be fair, I have seen it before. I have seen people go for a swim in the rain in Benidorm before, but I mean, I've never really seen anyone like go right out in the sea and like fully submerge themselves. Quite crazy, that really. And I mean, if you just look down onto rocks down there, I think that's his friend or his girlfriend or his wife with his dry clothes ready for when he gets out. I mean, I ain't even been in the freezing cold sea yet, and already I'm not. Do I have a white hot chocolate when I get home to warm up? Yeah, I'll probably be in the sea on Christmas Day, depending on the weather and what happens. Just coming up off the beach now. Sort of head towards home. Now most people will probably be doing the same, heading back to their hotel. Hope everyone has enjoyed the video. Funny thing is, when you do start getting out cold and wet weather in Benidorm, one thing I always notice is in your Chinese shops, your shops like that, prices of stuff like hoodies, umbrellas, ponchos, coats, stuff like that just go through the roof. Like the other day I found a nice hoodie, very nice, I liked it. I thought it was cheap because the rating it was on said like 1 for 5, 2 for a tenner, something like that. So I was like, oh, I hope it's cheap, it's nice, I'll get some of that. When I asked the guy how much it is, the guy turned around and said €17. And funnily enough, one of our friends have said that get your winter stuff in the summer and get your summer stuff in the winter. Because it's going to be cheaper, isn't it? Because summertime you ain't really going to be wanting to buy your decent coats. Then in the winter, you ain't really going to be wanting to buy Hawaiian shirts. Temperatures chilly 17 degrees. And I am just going to finish this video off here now. Thanks for watching, guys. Smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, and just a quick little update. There you can see the building site next to Port Benidorm. That's coming on pretty good, amazingly. Should be finished by February next year, possibly. Not sure. Anyway, see you in next one, guys.